Introducing the 2025 Ford Focus Saint Line 5D 1.5 TD 115 S6.2 A8F in stunning blue. This hatchback is packed with features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and lane departure warning for a comfortable and safe driving experience. With ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, your safety is a top priority. Plus, the privacy glass, roof rails, and spoiler add a touch of style. This car comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, service to manufacturer specification, and a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this fantastic vehicle. Call us now or visit our website burnscarsales.ie for more information.